Hi, my name's Cassie Soeffing, and I work for the Institute for Global Environmental Strategies, and I'm reporting on engaging GLOBE students in research across the data lifecycle. Our program is one of the C's projects with the University of Texas, Austin, like Kevin's is. And in our project, we introduced NASA Citizen Science as a pathway for engagement with NASA Earth data system collection. We build intern experience and knowledge in the fields of remote sensing, land cover analysis, and geohealth. And we provide experiences with NASA databases, cloud-based data acquisition and analysis platforms, imagery classification, and analysis. But most importantly, we support intern experiences through all the steps of the scientific research process with an emphasis on understanding the steps of the data lifecycle. Oh, by the way, this is our current class of interns. We started with 50, but we're now at 47. So it's kind of a great group of kids. We meet virtually, so anyway. This is our model. We believe it's reproducible. And we start with something that's local. So we have the kids go out and make 37 observations in an area that, so we teach them how to do the Globe Observer mobile app with data collection. And it maps to the table on the left, which is they're knowing themselves, their individual identity. So then they take the data, it's ingested, they learn about the Globe API. Other tools like NASA Worldview, ArcGIS, Living Atlas, appears, Google Earth Engine, and that's with their team identity. So now they're starting to work together as a team to collect multiple data sets. The important challenge is to make sure that the student understands the culture of science and interacts in a professional research setting. We also do a team science and leadership module, and mapping with data exploration, visualization, and analysis. They have a science identity. So we really enforce the open data, open science. They learn about and practice it all along the way. Towards the end of our project, which is an 8-week virtual internship, they release their data into Zenodo, GitHub. They do research reports, and interestingly, I'll share the report or the publications, but that's their STEM identity. So the growth of our program started as mosquito habitat mappers in 2018. We had 73 interns. It was a 4-week internship, and we concentrated mostly on mosquito habitats and mapping. 2019, we had 65 interns, and we continued with the mosquito focus. In 2020, we had 74 interns, and it was our first year of submitting data to the IVSS, and we had 40 projects that year. 13 of those 40 earned 4 badges, so we were pretty excited about the impact that the GLOBE data had on the program. In 2021, though, we changed our name to Earth System Explorers because we got a little bit more into the land cover, and we included a land cover scientist to make our program really science robust. In 2022, one of our former interns approached us about doing a leadership module. She created and developed, and we reviewed it and thought it was great, so we've added it to the program also. We use an online platform called Mighty Networks to distribute information, to do online chatting with the kids. We're available at that point to them 24/7, so if they have a question, we can get back to them and answer it. 23 IVSS submissions in 2022, and 21 of them earned 4 badges that year. Last year, we've added an open science concentration. We've added a data scientist to the team, and peer mentors are now doing some training for the kids. They actually own a group, a working group that they are in charge of, and we have included them in all of our planning. Last year we had 11 IVSS submissions, and 7 of them earned 4 badges. This year we have a total of 47 interns. 2 of the peer mentors are here with a poster, and we're excited about that. Anyway, the past research teams have been invited to share at Globe Observer Go Connect and at other webinars. So we're excited that they are able to share their information and their research throughout the community. We don't know where 2025 will take us quite yet, so that's kind of up in the air. These are the various research project titles, and I just grabbed a few to show you that most, no, why? It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, Simon. So we have a lot of them, and I tried to emphasize that there's a lot of them that are using AI and machine learning, and so we're really excited about that because the models and projects that they're developing are top-notch, and I'll talk about that quickly. We have students that are doing blogs, and I included just a couple to show you that they're receiving thousands of views, which means that people are reading about the work that the kids are doing. And so they've written them in our Mighty Network, and I just copy and paste them into our Globe Mission Mosquito blog space. They are also eligible to earn badges throughout their time with us. They can earn an Adopt a Pixel badge by doing their AOI, their Collect Earth online work, and they document all this in the Globe Observer Land Cover app. They can earn a Mosquito Habitat Mapper badge, and then their Science of Team Science badge. So we had in 2022 a team of high school seniors who competed at AGU in the informatics section and won the top award with their research work done through us. So we're super proud of them. And 2 years ago, we had this is just a kind of a teaser, but the team paper that a student did on wildfires and created a model, she, after our project ended, was still interested in it and came up with her own paper, her own individual research that has earned 12 awards, national awards in lots of areas. 3rd place in the National Geographic. She was in a Regeneron Talent Search finalist. And this year we found out that 3 of our past interns have finished in the top 6, and they're off to pursue their science future. These are the number of papers that our students have had published or are co-authors. God, now I have the shame of being the first one.